Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're starting this job in Safety Harbor. This is an oversized 3-car garage. The order of business is to get rid of this coating. So right now we have coating removal tools on the grinder. So we're going to have to cut the coating off, switch tooling, and then go back to diamond grinding tools. Now Lauren's over here, she's working on the edges. And as you can see what it's taken just to get that coating off. I mean, she's putting a lot of downward pressure on that grinder. And it's really taking quite a bit just to get back down to the concrete. We're still going to go back and pick up that last inch or so. That will be the next process. So when we get over here, you can see this is actually a series of coatings. There's a couple different color coatings on here. So we are going through our process getting all this off here. Here's an example of what the concrete's looking like, and we're going to take that all to the edge. We're starting to get a profile on the floor. So you'll see what this floor looks like in the next segment. Okay, so our grind, prep, and repairs are complete. So you can see where we filled in the control joints. They actually had a metal backer going through them. So we cover them up with our epoxy compound. This job is not getting baseboards, so it's just a flat floor. So this project is approximately 1,100 square feet. I think it's like 1050 or something like that. So we're all set up. We got our epoxy ready. Floor is ready. So we are not going on to the apron. So you can see where we cut a line. Well, it's covered up now, but just cut a line. There's a little keyway in there. It's going to keep the epoxy from rolling over. And the epoxy that we have for that is a little bit thickened. So that's going to lay down real neat, and the door is going to close over. It's right up to the flange, as you can see here. Okay, we're all done with our garage with no baseboards. Put a lot of effort into getting that coating off, as you saw in the last segments, but we did get back down to bare concrete. Got a really great profile for this floor for epoxy application. After getting the coating off, we switched the grinder over to diamond tooling, and then we did a full diamond grinding throughout the entire garage. Now this is a flat floor, meaning they did not get the baseboard option, but this garage was recently painted and it's very neat right now, and they took the paint right down to the floor. It's neat looking, so they didn't really need the baseboards in this instance. So we did fill the cut lines. So we filled the cut lines for a few reasons. The first is it's aesthetically pleasing. It's a better looking floor without those cut lines running up and down. And then the second thing is because there are no cut lines, they don't accumulate dirt. So you have an easier to clean and maintain floor. Here's a look at the UV Stable Polyaspartic top coat. So polyaspartic is very durable, and that's what protects the floor. So you can see how nice this is finished in here around the rails. We did square and round up the lead-in edges. So the lead-in edges are a very important part of your garage. It's where your hot tires meet the floor. It supports the entire weight of your vehicle as you drive in. So it's very important that you get them just right. Another look at the floor. Another look at the lead-in edge. Just the way these aprons flowed, they were ground painted and double coated with polyaspartic, a little bit unique. This color is cabin fever. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.